Here is an up-close look at this PERLECARE mattress topper. So it comes with an instruction manual. Wouldn't think that you would need one for a mattress topper, but just in case it helps, we'll run through it real quick. So you want to unpack the mattress. That is the box that it comes in right there. You can see there is the mattress in the box. You want to be careful not to cut the topper when you're opening it up. Then you're going to unroll the mattress topper. You're going to remove the remaining plastic that might be on it. And you're just going to unfold it on the bed, just like that. It says materials should fully expand after 48 hours. You want to unzip for rapid expanding if you want it to expand even faster. And then it says your mattress is now ready. So let's go ahead, and you can see there's straps on it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the bag, and I will put it on the bed. All right, just another quick look at it before I take it out of the bag. This is what it looks like as it is rolled up and as it comes. You can see the pattern right there, and you can see how it looks. All right, so I've taken the plastic off that was holding it together, and you can hear it. It is starting to expand. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the rest of the plastic, but you can hear it definitely expanding everywhere. All right, and this is what it looks like on the bed itself. So really easy to lay out. This is the full size. We got this for my son's bed because it's a harder bed. So we just wanted it to be a little bit softer for him, and it's definitely thick and soft, and it's gonna expand even more. They say that you can unzip this. It's got a zipper. So if you want it to expand even faster, you can use that zipper right there. It connects to the bed. One of the reasons why I picked this one was because I didn't want it to be sliding off the bed, you know, when he got in bed or jumped in bed. So it's got these straps right here, which go right underneath of the mattress. So it just connects. I'll zoom in a little bit. So it connects right here, and then it goes over to here. You can see it going under that mattress right there. So that's very convenient. Also, you can unzip it and you can wash this cover, and that is what the foam inside looks like. You can see it right there if you ever need to unzip it. And like I said, you could unzip it so it would expand even faster. So that zipper, you can see it starts right here, and then it goes all the way around the mattress topper. But super soft, super comfy, as you can see. It's right there. You can see the thickness of it, and it's only going to get bigger. So hope that helps you. Have a great day.